Tamuh on the beat. Today's Father's Day. Everybody's celebrating, calling their fathers, laughing, smiling. But me, I only know you through stories. I was only 1 year old when you left this world. They say you loved everyone, you carried the whole family. You sacrificed everything for your brothers, for your sisters. But jealousy surrounded your life, and our family believes that's why you were taken too soon. Today I sing because I miss you. Got to hear. Only 1 year old, I couldn't even say your name. No memories, only pictures in a frame. People say you had a heart of gold, helping everybody. Even when your pockets were empty, you believed in family, you believed in love. Now every Father's Day, I'm looking up above. Sometimes I wonder, will my future be different? Will my dreams be bigger? But I know God still writes beautiful stories. Life is not easy, I'm a teacher, trying to build another generation. The money is small, but my dream is still alive. I promised myself I will never